Hi, friend. Here at EmpowerHer After Divorce, I'm dedicated to walk alongside you as you navigate life after divorce. Today, we're talking about getting a fresh start in the new year of 2025. I will share 5 practical steps to get you off to a good start this year. As you already know, going through a divorce can feel like an emotional roller coaster, and not the fun kind. Navigating the initial shock is overwhelming. But by acknowledging the emotional turmoil and allowing for time to grieve, you can start to embrace self compassion and avoid harsh judgment. Realize you don't have to do this alone. You can allow yourself to be supported by loved ones and consider letting professionals walk alongside you on this journey. Let's get started. Our first is embracing self reflection and clarity. Begin by identifying your current position in life and where you want to be. Understanding your past that you wish to leave behind, and focus on crafting a compelling future. Reflecting on what success, happiness, and fulfillment mean to you. An amazing tool for clarity is journaling. Using journaling to express yourself and write down what you really want in this next chapter can help you create clarity, as well as reflect on anything that may have hindered you or kept you from moving forward. Second, setting new goals and priorities. Establish goals that align with the new vision of your life. These goals can be personal, professional, or even adventurous. Prioritize them based on what resonates most with you, your heart, and future aspirations. Remember, it's about creating a future that feels exciting and empowering. Writing down your goals can make it more likely to happen. Third, creating a supportive network. Connecting with like minded individuals who encourage and inspire you. Engage in communities and mastermind groups that provide positive reinforcement and opportunities for growth and learning. Making a list of people you want to reach out to, whether that's friends, families, or even a coach or professionals. These are things that can help you get more clarity on how you would like to be supported. Fourth, develop new skills and pursue passions. Taking this opportunity to learn something new or dive deep into hobbies you've always been passionate about. This could be a course, a new career path, starting a business can be rewarding. Developing a list of passions and skills you would love to explore can be a fun way to get clear on what you would like. Fifth, take action with courage and experimentation. Embracing courage to take action, experiment without fear of failure. Every action is a step towards understanding what works best for you. View life as a laboratory and continually refine your approach based on your outcomes of your experiment. Design a list of experiments you would love to do. In conclusion, embarking on a new journey after divorce can be empowering. Begin by embracing self reflection and set clear vision of your future. Define and prioritize your goals that align with your new path. Surround yourself with a supportive network that encourages growth. Take this opportunity to learn new skills and pursue passions. This brings joy and fulfillment. Finally, approach each with courage, allowing yourself to experiment and learn from each experience. These steps will guide you toward crafting a vibrant and meaningful new chapter in your life. I hope this information has been helpful and look forward to seeing the amazing things that will come into your life. Start this new year with clarity and courage and see the magic that you create. Sending you so much love, Coach Debbie Forth Wigley. Bye for now.